be surprised to hear from you, or
No.
call
You're
you?
just. We say hi, Lisa, and you're like, hi guys. Where are you calling from?
Okay.
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 You're an actor. Can you get into the zone?
I fucking got it.
It's January 24th. It's day 14, 15. Day 15 in the studio. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, whoever said hi to me.
It's Tegan and Sarah. It's Tegan and Sarah. Sarah specifically.
Hi, Sarah. How you doing?
Hi, Lisa. Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you guys calling from?
We're calling from the forest. There's actually a bear. It's been injured. It's dragging. Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Oh, it's okay. I'm still here.
I know, but we gotta do it again. I hate it when fucking other motherfuckers call us.
Kinderhook.
Oh.
God damn it.
Oh,
Emmy's family.
It's Emmy's family. Fuck.
I fucking hate Emmy's family.
Hold on, Ted. When you
Let's
drag your body across the floor, can you do it a little quieter?
I don't know how to do that.
Just-
She's sitting on speakerphone. Let's move it,
Okay.
Bear.
Sorry, Lisa.
God damn, another day at the office.
Super professional. Super slick. Lisa, how long have we known each other now?
Oh, gosh. Jeez, you know, just let me look at my calendar and count the black X's I've marked on it. But I think it's, well, you were 17.
That's true. I was 17. What the fuck were you doing trying to be friends with 17-year-olds, you fucking cougar purr?
It was just charity work.
Charity work.
Yeah, I like to work with troubled youth.
Troubled you.
I have something I'd like to talk to Tegan about.
Okay, go ahead.
Tegan, remember when you asked me to look after your fish?
Kind of.
Fish. It sounds familiar.
Remember when you said to me that you were going to Montreal to do pre-production with your sister Sarah, and you said that you were going for a couple months, and you asked me to look after your fish? It's called Emmy.
Right, Emmy. It sounds familiar.
Yeah, and remember when you said, could you just look after my fish while I'm in Montreal, and then you came back and you said, oh, actually, I'm also going to Portland,
Yeah.
and you keep looking after the fish, and I said, sure, but remember when I said that you were supposed to clean the fish tank before you left?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you didn't.
So you did, and you killed Emmy.
No, I haven't yet, so I just want you to know that I'm going to attempt to clean your fish tank.
Sweet.
And I may kill Emmy, and I just need you to know, that that's okay with you, that it's quite possible that the cleaning of the fish tank may kill your fish.
Honestly, if you haven't cleaned it since I left from Montreal, I don't think you can kill Emmy. Because it's been six months. So.
Well, I'm scared to clean it, but not because I'm a tidy person, but I am scared that I'm going to, screw up the alkaline or something of the water, or the temperature
How
will
could
be
it be
wrong,
any worse than 5 months of not cleaning it? Like, can you see Emmy? Is she even in there? Is she covered in algae?
Well,
I'm calling social services. This call is over.
Listen, don't you even put this on me. You were the one that abandoned her in the first place.
No one should have
Asked me to
given
look
me a
after her
fish to
3
begin
months.
with. I'm not old enough for a fish. I'm not responsible enough for a fish. I didn't want the fish. It was my bitch ex-girlfriend.
Hey, Sarah.
Yes?
What
Lisa?
did you work
Lisa?
on in the studio today?
Do it again. I'm sorry. Seriously this time.
Okay, seriously. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, what song did you guys work on today in the studio?
We are working on one of my songs. It's called Knife Going In.
Oh.
Maybe we should sing a few bars.
The chorus goes like this. I feel a knife going in. I'm feeling anxious.
She's dead.
It's like
She's
that.
Not dead.
Wow. I just hope it sounds better in the,
Oh, Jesus.
you know?
No, it's well. So this is the thing: is I wrote the song after a dream I had about my grandma. After my grandma passed away, I had this it was really an upsetting dream where I was in her bedroom and she wasn't in the bedroom, and there was intruders, and they came in and they stabbed me.
Holy fuck.
And yeah, it was super intense, and I didn't die. And in the dream, I was like, "Have you ever had that kind of dream where you're like, I'm gonna die, and then you don't die?"
Yeah.
And so
They say if you die in your dream that you really die. They say that you never ever really die, or never really dream of dying, because if you actually dream that you die, you won't wake up.
right. Well,
Anyway, I'm
totally.
glad you didn't really die in your dream.
I didn't die. I didn't die, and in the dream, I actually had
Who's they? That's what I want to know.
Are you gonna come visit us?
I'm absolutely going to come visit you, and I'm going to bring Flashdance, the movie, and we're going to have a Flashdance screening party, because that is I think it's pretty much perfect timing for our anniversary that is coming up, because or not you remember, well, Tegan, of course, remembers because she actually bought me the DVD of Flashdance for Christmas. In commemoration of the fact that when I met you, you hadn't seen Flashdance.
And that made you really upset.
It made me extremely upset, and it made me feel like there was so much culture and music and dance and art that you had not yet experienced at your young age. And particularly very influential art like Flashdance.
Well, you sort of met us right at the back end of our acid Cypress Hill punk rock stage.
Yeah, Smashing Pumpkins, and and I felt that it was important for you both not only hear the music in Flashdance, but also to see the hot sort of lesbian undertones of the film as well. Like not many films about women who were welder by day and stripper by night.
Which is funny because it was your occupations at the time, and so it really helped us understand what you were going through in your workforce.
Yeah, absolutely. And also made me pretty much come out of the closet was
Did it?
Dance. We will dance. In fact, what we will do is we will watch Flashdance first, and then we will reenact it.
Sweet. We'll just have buckets of water on hand to splash all over our shit.
Fantastic.
Our shiz. Okay, well, thank you for calling, Lisa. We really appreciate it. We're going to check in with you again probably soon.
Bye, guys.
Okay, bye.